Press the bell icon to never miss a video from testbook.com.
Hey guys, how are you all? I'm Pratibha Singh and I welcome you to testbook.com. So guys, here we have our chapter and it is error detection. So guys, our first error, it is, can India make it to a leadership position or will it be retained the fast train going slow image it always had? So here you need to think in which part we do have error. So can India make it to a leadership position or will it be retained the fast trend going slow? So error lies in the second part. Where error lies? Will it be retained? Nahi hoga. It cannot be will it be retained. Why? Will it be retained? It is in passive voice. And passive voice cannot be its structure as per the context of our sentence. Can India make it to a leadership position? Okay. So here, will it retain? Will it retain? It will be the correct sentence. Will it retain the fast train going slow image it always had? So second one is the right answer. Error lies in the second part. Now our next question. The priest class took upon itself the monopoly of scriptural knowledge and interpretation of the same its own advantage. So here we have the priest class. Here we will have the priestly class took upon itself the monopoly. So error lies in the first part. He said that he thought of politics. So it should be of. We use OFF for separation and we use of, it is the part of something. When he was studying intermediate and that he had no fear of politics. So error lies in the first part. While provisions on equality and non-discrimination would promote equal opportunities in this process, reservation at job should not be denied. So here it will not be at jobs, it will be in jobs. So error lies in the third part of our sentence. Error. The process reservation in jobs should not be denied. Government has reportedly made its displeasure known, particularly on the speed and stealth with which the negotiations are completed. So here you need to figure out which part has the error. So here we have error in third part. The negotiation are completed. It should be are being completed. Why? We have to use the sentence in passive voice. The government has reportedly made its displeasure known, particularly on the speed and steel with which the negotiations are completed. That means किए जाते हैं. So it will be a natural process or a habit or a routine we say. But if I use negotiations are being completed, यानी कि किए जा रहे हैं. So it will be continuous process or it is not routine. So that's why error lies in the third part. This will explains the decision taken to impose a blockade on the country in the midst of a crisis. So here error lies in the first part. This will explain because it is a model, and after model we always take V1. That means will explain, it will be the correct answer. Error lies in the first part. He built the theatre as a tribute to his routings and he thought of its outlasting him would surely have given him the greatest joy. He built the theatre as a tribute to his routing. it will not be rootings. He built the theatre as a tribute to his rooting, analyzing the first part. As several studies shows, here we are talking about studies. Studies is what? It is plural subject. So when we take plural subject, it should be show. As several studies show over the years, the annual data is useful in reviewing trends of extreme events. So, analyzing the first part, the most effective measure to keep our roads safe is enforcement of rules with zero tolerance to any violate rule. So, it cannot be any violate, it will be any violation of rule, or we say with zero tolerance to violate any rule. And why I have done so, it should be 2 plus V1. After 2 we use V1, that means first form of the verb, and it is what? It is infinitive. Service providers cannot stand in the way of a consumer's access to content in it should have been provided. So here we have once again a very easy question and analyzing the second part. Consumers access to content, यहाँ तक तो सही है हमारा. It should have been provided. तो should के साथ में you can use have. There are cases where you use have with should, but be is incorrect. It can be should have been provided. इसका मतलब हुआ कर देना चाहिए था. There is a direct evidence that when learning occurs, neurochemical communication between neurons is facilitated and less input is required. So here we have there. THEIR is what? It is a pronoun. And there is what? It is used to indicate place. There. You occasionally stop to admire the intellectual scenery, or you sometimes retrace your steps to make sure you had seen everything. Here you occasionally stop. It is what? V1. To admire the intellectual scenery, or you sometimes retrace your steps to make sure you, it should be have seen, because you have to use, it is just a sentence. And here here it is, you are showing some facts. It is a statement you are giving. So ki sometime it is a kind of routine or habit. So when you show these routines or habits in a action or in a sentence, you use simple present tense. So that's why here also you have to see, you have to take V1. Sometimes you stop to admire. आप किसी को admire, किसी की इंटेलेक्चुअल को एडमायर करने के लिए रुकते हो, और यू समटाइम्स रिट्रेस योर स्टेप्स, आप फिर से वो स्टेप लेते हो मेक श्योर करने के लिए, उसको एकदम पक्का करने के लिए कि आप सब कुछ देख चुके हो, देख चुके थे नहीं, देख चुके हो. So here you have to use the sentence in present tense. Sometimes it appears as if they are deliberately limiting their chances of survival in order to observe some customary or taboo. So it will be some custom. It will not be customary, but it will be custom. Here we have next question. It is the vast majority of people are consuming suboptimal amounts of most micronutrients, and most of the micronutrients concerning नहीं होगा यहाँ पर, concern होगा. are very safe. India, country of more than 1 billion population, is emerging as the economic superpower of the world. So here we have second one is the right answer. A judge must be slow in anger and quick to forgive. So a judge must be slow at anger and quick to forgive, otherwise he may risk abusing powers. Analyzing the first part, the professor recently describes 1500 tests in which blind people passed with greater ease than those who could see. So here the professor recently described. Here you need to use verb in second form, and why? Here you have V2. That means the test was conducted earlier. अभी नहीं हुआ है, वो पहले हो चुका है. So it will be second one. Radium is so expensive that you could be a millionaire if you own only half of a pound of it. So here you can be a millionaire if you own only half a pound of it. So analyze in the second part. She was so much overwhelmed with her son's devotion and affection that she did distributed. So here it is very common question of SSC CGL. After did you need to use only V1. I did go there, or you say I did not went there. So went is the incorrect. It is incorrect word. I did not go there. It is correct. I did go there. It is correct. I did distribute it. Incorrect. Did distribute. You have to use. It will be distribute. The viability of the multinational corporate system depends upon the degree in which it cannot be, with which people will tolerate the unevenness it creates. So analyze in the second part.